Hey everyone, welcome back to the Mark Loeffler Experience. I got my buddy Chitty Chatty Chopra over here, and we're just going to talk bailout for a minute. We're going to talk SVB Bank, what happened over the weekend, what's happened today in the markets because of it, and what could possibly be the fallout of all this. If you guys haven't been watching the news, or if you live under a rock, the 16th biggest bank in America was insolvent. Basically, there was a run on the bank late last week, shut down for the weekend. And what happened then, Rob?
Signature Bank went right after that.
Yeah.
Like within literally moments, right? And then the latest news came out again last night in regards to basically a bailout.
Yeah. So basically, they said, we're going to insure all deposits. Because, the Silicon Valley Bank, Roku had like $500 million with them. Like just sitting there, $500 million, right? So imagine Roku loses $500 million. What happens then triggers down to the economy.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
So when we woke up this morning, the markets, which should have been satisfied with that, spiked. The VIX spiked, so the volatility spiked. And basically, throughout the day, that has really backed off. And what does that mean in terms of interest rates? What have we seen?
Yeah, what we're going to see coming out here ahead, points everything towards the fact of, a potential decline in the rates.
Right. Well, we saw 7% on the long-term bond rates, which means what happens to fixed-term mortgages?
Yeah, the fixed-term rates will come down. You're seeing sub 3% on the bond market.
Right, which probably translate into what, 4.5 to
for sure
4.75 fixed rate mortgages.
Yeah, we're already seeing like 4.75, 4.8-ish on the owner occupied side of things. So you'll even see a little bit more of a reduction from that.
Yeah, so you could see 4.4, 4.5 mortgages in the near future again. And if that holds, obviously this is a busy time in real estate, and if people are getting cheaper mortgages, what do we know about people buying real estate? What do they care about the rate?
No, the rate is definitely not as important. Here's another thing to also mention as well when it comes to that. Anybody that might have any pre-approvals that are out there right now with closing dates further down the line, this would be an opportunity if you're working with your broker, working with your bank, whoever it is that you might be working with, to go back and actually have that discussion, right? Especially if your closings are, out 30, 60, even 90 days from now, depending on how far. But this opportunity now, if it wasn't enough for the stabilization of the rates, Mark, going into the spring market, I think this right here will also provide even more opportunity for people.
So they're going to put more fuel on the fire.
100%.
Yeah, which is awesome. We all need a little more fuel on the fire, right? Like that's, we're already seeing in Oakville specifically that I know, like we're seeing multiple offers on things. Like, we were in multiple offers on a fourplex this weekend. We didn't get it.
Mm-hmm. It's definitely, I'll just add, like, where did you finish off there? You didn't get it?
Yeah, multiple offers.
Even within the brokerage, like the things that you're seeing with investors that are coming through, a lot of these offers are coming in, getting closer to what the asking price is now. More people are obviously over, yeah. And more people are obviously shopping again. Conditions are still out there. It's still something that people are getting, financing, inspection, whatever the case may be. But you're definitely seeing a drive to it. And again, going back to what I've always stated before, is that any type of liquid position, anybody that's in a position of liquidity right now, there's still opportunity. And if you've been waiting on the sidelines through all this, I'm not telling you to go out and buy. That's not what I'm saying. Buy strategically, obviously.
Hold on. Is that Justin Timberlake or is that Bieber?
Bye.
Who's that?
That's Backstreet Boys, I think.
Oh, there you go.
Mark, I did see them twice live. It was actually pretty cool. It was a good show. Yeah.
My estimation of you has gone way down.
That was probably
just way down. Like, did you see Justin and the boys too?
It was actually in high school.
New Kids on the Block.
Yeah, I didn't see New Kids, but I did see Justin Timberlake.
All right. We digress. We've all lost a little respect for Rob. So
it's a good show.
Yeah. So this lowers people's monthly expense that they're going to have, which again means they're going to go buy a little bit more expensive home, because if they're approved to spend $3,500 a month, This just means they can get a bigger mortgage now.
Yeah, and also it also increases that qualification aspect of things too, right? When you're looking at the residential space and you're looking at ratio qualifications on your GDS and TDS, these payments now becoming a lot lower will become more affordable, but again, drives people into the market again and brings people going in there with multiple offers, as Mark mentioned, and literally potentially above asking. So again, just be really, really strategic. It's going to be a really interesting week this week, right, Mark?
Yeah, I don't think that this is going to be the week you're going to see it as much, just because so many people are away. I think this will all come out next week, and we're going to start to see some big things happening. So get prepared, talk to your mortgage broker, get everything lined up, and let's go.
Let's go.
Thanks, everyone. We'll catch you next time.